YouTube, welcome back to Case Technology. Exciting video for you. We're going to be talking about AWS EC2 instances, how to create them, and how to get started using it. So if you don't already have an account established with AWS, what you want to do is go to their homepage. It's aws.amazon.com. Okay, right here. An AWS account so that you can create a new one. And when you come here, you put in all your information, your email, yada, yada, yada. All right. And all your personals. Then after that's done, you'll be brought to your home screen right here. Where it'll show you or allow you to pick all your resources. And definitely try to use the free tier for everything unless you just have a money bag or you're rolling in dough and you can run these services. They can get pricey pretty quickly. So if we expand the all services right here tab on the upper left, we can see everything that AWS offers in the console. And we just want to go over here under compute and select EC2. And over here on the left is all the different parts or components that make up EC2. If you don't already have a VPC stood up, you would have to come in here and actually just create a new VPC. And if you don't, and if you're new, you just have to, like I said, you have to create that. All right. Placement group, security, launch scales, elastic block store, our instances here. You have your EC2 dashboard where you can see all your zones, your availability zones, what VPCs you have over here. All right, so you can just come into EC2 and we can say launch instance. And after you come here, you're going to be able to select which instance you want to actually launch. Like I said, we want to stay within wherever the free tier eligibles are. And I'm going to actually come down here and select Ubuntu 20.04, 64-bit. So let's go ahead and select that. And again, we're going to have the free tier, the T2 micro. And we're just going to go ahead to review and launch. I don't care about any of the special details, the instance size, all that stuff. I know what VPC is going to be. I know the storage is 8 gigs. That's fine because it's temporary. And if we wanted to add any tags in here, we could do that as well. But right now, I'm just showing you how to launch it and set it up. Keep it very simple. So we want to go ahead and click the launch button. Then you want to create a new key pair, and you're going to call it something. I'm going to say EC2 video, and then I'm just going to download the key pair. All right, you want to hit save, and you want to select launch instance. Now, while that is downloading, what we can do is we can go to our terminal, depending on what you're using. Right, and there's a specific setting that you would have to have, and if you forget it, it's fine. You just click right here on the instance ID, right, and you can say I want to, when it finished launching or starting up, and then configure it, you want to come here and hit connect, and then it will show you all the ways you can connect to this instance. All right, I'm just going to bring up the terminal, and I know I want CD downloads, and I want to I think it's 644. So I want to change the ownership or the permissions on said file, and the file is ec2 video.pem. Now I change that to lsh ec2 video.pem, and it has read, write, read permissions. That's good. So when it's ready and it says it's running, so then we can right click and we can say we want to connect, and it'll show us that our username is Ubuntu. We can connect like this, or we can use, oh, it's 400. I told you the wrong thing. It's 400. So let's go back there and change that permission to 400. So we just want They want to just read on it. That's what they want. And then we're going to do SSH, or just click the button on the left. It'll copy it. And I'm just going to paste that in there. Like so. I'm going to get rid of all this extra characters that I pasted in there. And let me increase the size of this so you can all see. There we go. Let me just say SSH this and hit enter. It's going to ask for, am I sure I want to connect? We're going to type in yes, so I can let it know that I actually want to do that. And here, and voila, I'm inside of an EC2 instance. It's just that simple. It's that easy. This is how you can get to a bag and start making money right away. It's not as hard as some people might think. We can issue commands on this Ubuntu instance, uptime. We can do, what is it? We can do ping google.com. Boom. We're getting returns, so we know it has internet access, and it's going to IAD. So this is the Dulles location for Google. Let's see. Well, actually, the Dulles location for Amazon. I think that actually is. Let's find out again. Unlikely that's them. Yep. IAD reading for Amazon. Unlikely. All right. So yeah, we have internet access. We can ping stuff. We can download stuff. So I can do sudo apt install. Let's see. Do we get already on there? That's already on there. Curl. It's on there. We say Golang. Yes. And as you can see, it's pretty fast, pretty efficient. So we have an issue with that. So and now, let's see if we can install it. Yep, we're installing. Just needed a quick update, and we're good to go. All right, so now I should be able to issue Go commands. All right, let's see if I. Go. I can do package main import from T and func main we'll do fmt.print hello. Boom, launch an ec2 instance. Yeah, that all works. Now that's how you can set up an ec2 instance, download and install an application that you want to use, and go ahead and start using it right away with ec2 instances. It's just that fast. Tune in for the next video where we show you how to do a little bit more with ec2. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe.